Are you tired of your wooden furniture looking dull and dry? Well, today I am going to show you how to make a professional graded wood wax polish that will nourish, protect, and restore the shine of your wooden surfaces. In this video, I'll walk you through an advanced formula for a wood wax polish using simple chemical. Not only will your wood look amazing, but this polish will also protect it from damage over time. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a luxurious wood polish that can complete or compete with any commercial product, and it is all handmade. Plus, I will share a pro tip for extended the shelf life of your polish. If you missed our last video on stucco wall polish, try to go and watch it. The video will help you achieve a perfect wall surface polishing. The link will be in the description or somewhere up in the video. Now back to today's tutorial. Wood needs moisture, protection and care. For some of us who don't know, without it, your beautiful furniture can dry out, crack or lose its shine. This wood wax polish solves all that by providing a natural shield while enhancing the beauty of the wood. Imagine transforming your old, lifeless wooden furniture into something that looks brand new, all with just a little bit of care. And what's even better, you will make this wood polish yourself. Here's what we'll need to make your own 250 ml of wood wax polish. 1. Beeswax. 2. Carnauba Wax. 3. Paraffin Wax. 4. Turpentine Oil. 5. Linseed Oil. 6. Lemon essential oil. 7. Cobalt Drier and any antioxidant. Beeswax is the base of the polishing, giving it its soft, nourishing texture. Carnauba Wax will add that glossy professional finish, while Turpentine Oil acts as a solvent, making it easier to apply. Then, lesser oil provides moisture to the wood. Please take note, wood wax polish chemicals are different from wall wax polish. Yes, you can see most chemicals used in wall wax polish is almost the same chemicals, but they differ. So please do not use wood wax polish in the production of wall wax polish. Now, start by melting 50 gram of beeswax and 20 gram of Carnauba Wax. Please take note, remember we are producing 250 ml and 100 gram of paraffin wax. Use a double boiler to melt them gently. Stir to blend them evenly. Once the wax are fully melted, slowly add 100 ml of turpentine oil to thin the wax mixture. Then add 80 ml of linseed oil to give the wood the moisture it needs to stay vibrant. Next, add a few drops of lemon essential oil for fresh scent and to act as a mild preservative. Now, add 0.5 ml of Cobalt Drier to speed up the drying time of the wood polish once applied. Once mixed, allow the polish to cool slightly as it cools down, but it is still liquid. Please take note. At this process, once the wood polish is cooling down but is still in its liquid stage, stir in 0.2 gram of antioxidant to prevent it from turning Linseed over time and add it into the wooden wax polish gradual. Now that your wood wax polish is complete, pour it into your container while it's still warm. Let it cool and solidify for a few hours and it will be ready to use. I know most of us, we want to try this process and we might not know how to apply our wood wax. So to use, simply apply a small amount of polish to a soft cloth and rub it onto your wooden surface in circular motion. After a few minutes, buff it with a dry cloth to reveal a beautiful shine. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more do-it-yourself video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let me know in the comments how your wood wax turned out, or if you have any question. Also, if you're looking to take your wood care game to the next level, check out our video on making your own clear waterproof wood glue at home. I'll leave the video link right here. By the way, if you're interested in learning how to produce a wide range of paint, from wood paint to floor paint, car paint, wall paint, and even adhesive, our advanced paint production training is exactly what you need. We offer step-by-step courses designed to take you from a beginner stage to a professional level. Even if you have little to no prior knowledge of paint production, our methods are cutting edge, and we have trained students from different countries to succeed in this paint industry. Whether you want to make high quality paint or adhesive, we have got you covered. Click the link in the description below if you are interested in joining this lucrative business industry and becoming a part of our growing global community of successful paint producers. Don't miss out. Until next time, keep creating. Bye for now.